बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन्फोट्रिक्सज़ोन। इस चैनल में जनरल नॉलेज और बाकी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड MCQs शेयर किए जाएंगे। अगर आप भी किसी इम्तिहान की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो मेरी वीडियोस आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होंगी। अगर रोज़ाना 20 MCQs भी तैयार कर लें तो एक माह में 600 MCQs तैयार हो सकते हैं। इस तरह इम्तिहान में आप अच्छे मार्क्स के साथ कामयाब हो सकते हैं। अगर आप भी डेली 20 से 30 MCQs तैयार करना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ भी इस चैनल का लिंक शेयर करें। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ जनरल नॉलेज के इंतहाई इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। विच कंट्री इज़ नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ द G7? करेक्ट आंसर इज चाइना। Which international organization aims to maintain global peace and security? Answer is UN. The headquarters of the International Red Cross is located in which city? Correct answer is Geneva. Which is the world's largest ocean by area? Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the currency of Brazil? Correct answer is real. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Correct answer is Japan. The European Union currency is called? Correct answer is Euro. The Nelson Mandela Peace Prize is awarded by which organization? Correct answer is United Nations. Who is the founder of Microsoft Corporation? Correct answer is Bill Gates. The Commonwealth Games are held every how many years? Correct answer is 4. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is Mars. Who painted the famous artwork Mona Lisa? Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. The Great Wall of China was primarily built for? Correct answer is defense purposes. The famous monument Taj Mahal is located in which country? Correct answer is India. Which of the following rivers is the longest in the world? Correct answer is Nile River. Which continent is the largest by land area? Correct answer is Asia. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? Correct answer is Paris. Nelson Mandela was the first black president of which country? Correct answer is South Africa. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Correct answer is Norway. The Berlin Wall separated which two ideological blocs during the Cold War? आंसर इज वेस्टर्न एंड ईस्टर्न। होपफुली आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस वाले से कमेंट्स में अपना फीडबैक लाजमी दें। थैंक यू।